Stop. If you are paying rent directly from your bank account, you are literally setting money on fire every single month. Imagine turning that $2,000 rent check into a free flight to Hawaii or a luxury hotel stay in Tokyo. Sounds like a scam? It's not. It's the Bilt Mastercard. But is it still worth it in 2026? Let's dive in. Rent is the single largest monthly expense for millions of people. That is a colossal amount of money leaving your account without giving you anything back. You get points for coffee, groceries, gas, but nothing for the biggest bill of all. Bilt was created to solve this exact problem. And with major changes in 2026, you need the new playbook to win. Most rent portals that accept credit cards hit you with a hefty processing fee, typically around 3%. On $2,000, that's a $60 fee. Every month, that's $720 a year. Gone. Historically, Bilt beat this with $0 in processing fees on rent. By using a unique routing number to send an ACH-like payment, it bypassed card fees. In 2026, Bilt 2.0 launched 3 new card options and changed how rent is processed. Now, rent can pull directly from your linked bank account, and you still earn points. With Bilt Blue, the no annual fee option, you may need to use Bilt Cash to unlock rent points. Example: redeem $60 in Bilt Cash to earn 2,000 points on a $2,000 rent payment. Some options let you pay a 3% fee to earn maximum points. Bottom line, the free ride now has rules and choices. Compare: paying the fee costs $720 a year on $2,000 rent, using Bilt Cash offsets it while preserving points. But wait, what if your credit limit is only $2,000 and your rent is also $2,000? Using your whole limit hurts your credit score, right? This is where the Bilt Protect feature is a game changer. When you turn on Bilt Protect in the app, Bilt pulls the rent money directly from your linked bank account within 48 hours, just like a debit card transaction. But here is the magic. You still earn the points, yet it uses 0% of your credit limit. So, you get the rewards of a credit card without the high utilization damage to your credit score. For anyone with a lower credit limit, this feature alone is worth getting the card. Rent points can still add up fast, capped at 100,000 per year. The power of Bilt is converting a huge expense into travel without netting a loss to fees. Let's map the earning rates you'll use daily. They remain simple and competitive. Now, how to stack them for maximum value. 3x on dining, restaurants, bars, delivery. 2x on travel, flights, hotels, rental cars when booked direct. 1x on rent, up to 100,000 points per year. 1x on everything else. $2,000 in rent earns 2,000 points. $500 dining earns 1,500 points. $300 elsewhere earns 300 points. Total, 3,800 points a month. And don't overlook the hidden protections. Even though Bilt Blue has no annual fee, it comes with solid travel insurance. We are talking about trip cancellation and interruption protection, trip delay reimbursement, and even auto rental collision damage waiver. Most no annual fee cards strip these benefits away, but Bilt keeps them. So when you book that flight with your double points on rent day, you are also automatically insuring your trip. Over 45,000 points a year, enough for real trips. 3x Dining competes with premium travel cards without an annual fee. Channel existing spend through Bilt to compound earnings. And the first of each month? That's your secret weapon. Memorize. 3x Dining, 2x Travel, 1x Rent, 1x everything else. Now, let's double your haul. Plan purchases around the 1st. On the 1st of every month, Bilt doubles non-rent points for 24 hours. For one day, your earning engine gets a turbo boost. Dining jumps to 6x. Travel jumps to 4x. Everything else doubles to 2x. Rent stays at 1x. Plan nice dinners on the 1st, 6 points per dollar. Book flights on the 1st, 4 points per dollar. $500 in travel, 2,000 points on rent day versus 1,000 normally. Bilt often adds extra rent day perks. Treat it like an event. Small planning, big dividends. Now here's where Bilt points become truly powerful. Transfers. Bilt points shine when you transfer them 1.1 to top airline and hotel partners. United Mileage Plus and World of Hyatt are the headliners, plus Alaska, Air Canada Aeroplan, and more. Move points at a 1.1 ratio. Simple and powerful. This is how pros book 5-star hotels and lie-flat flights for far less. Card portals often yield about 1 cent per point. Transfers can double that value. Let's do the math on a real dream vacation. Imagine you want to stay at the Park Hyatt, New York. A standard room can cost over $1,000 a night. On a travel portal, that room would cost you 100,000 points. But if you transfer Bilt points to World of Hyatt, that same room might only cost you 30,000 to 40,000 points. That means just by paying rent for a year and dining out occasionally, you have earned a weekend stay worth $2,000. This arbitrage, buying low with points and redeeming high for luxury, is the holy grail of travel hacking. 50,000 points for a $1,000 room is 2 cents per point. United unlocks domestic trips and global awards through Star Alliance. Add Alaska and Aeroplan for incredible routing flexibility. For Bilt Blue, transfers require at least 2,000 points in 1,000-point increments. Access to elite partners with no annual fee is rare and a big win. Your rent points become a real travel currency if you transfer smartly. But there is one rule you cannot forget. You must use the card 5 times in a billing cycle to earn your points. If you forget, you earn 0. Buy 4 small coffees and pay your rent. Done. Make fewer than 5 posted transactions, and you'll forfeit all points that cycle. There's no minimum on those 5 swipes. Tiny purchases count. Set Bilt as your default for small recurring buys to automate compliance. Hit 5 quick transactions, then let rent do the heavy lifting. 30 seconds of effort can be the difference between thousands of points and none. And Bilt can help your credit score too. Bilt can report your on-time rent payments to Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. For many renters, especially with thin files, scores can rise from the mid-600s into the 700s over time. Rent becomes a positive trade line, strengthening payment history, the most important factor. Higher scores can save thousands on auto loans, mortgages, and more. The benefit requires on-time payments. Late reports can hurt. If you pay rent reliably, this is a free way to build credit with a habit you already have. At CardVantage, we upload new money hacks every Thursday. Subscribe so you don't miss the next travel loop. Turn on notifications for breaking card strategies. So, is Bilt still a renter's best friend after a massive 2026 shift? 3 tiers and new rent earning rules add complexity. High spenders may do even better. Average users face trade-offs. Pros: only major program to earn transferable points on rent. No annual fee option, strong partners, rent day boosts, and credit building. Cons: more moving parts, sometimes fees or Bilt cash needed, and you must remember the 5 transaction rule. For most renters who want to travel, Bilt Blue, a $0 annual fee card, remains a no-brainer. The core value, turning your biggest bill into premium travel, still stands. Adopt small habits. 5 swipes. Plan for the first, transfer for value. Verdict: for renters pursuing travel, the Bilt Mastercard in 2026 is still a powerful, often unbeatable play, especially with no annual fee on Bilt Blue. Master the rules, stack rent day, and transfer smart. Your rent can fund real travel. This content is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Make decisions based on your own situation and research.